Hi, I am Utkarsh from Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra. I am an engineering undergraduate, and this is my presentation video for Behind the Teacher's Test 2020. And the theme on which I worked is product development. So the product which I designed is basically an ergonomic chair which can be kept on ground. So basically, that doesn't need any legs like the conventional one. So the main motive behind this product is basically to provide a cheap tool for these vegetable sellers and students who do not have a table and a chair and who study on a bed. Health disease happening from a bad posture over a long run of time is common nowadays, so we need to have a fix for that, and especially for people like vegetable sellers. In the current scenario, we do have products like this, but they are not ergonomic as we can see from the customer review, and also they are costly. So these are by far ergonomic because they are supporting the upper trunk of the body. So my motive for this project was to design something that will support the whole upper body. So my product has basically four components: the upper and lower back support frame, the holder, and the holder supports. Now I will give a very brief insight into how did I design this product from the ergonomic aspect and the mechanics aspect. In the figure you can see the back frame supporting mechanism. This thing is put on the ground, and basically it has slots of 20 millimeters to support the holder, which is coming from the joint of upper and lower back supports. So in the figure you can see the human simulation of my product. So basically the man you are seeing is the 95th percentile human male, and you can see how perfectly he is sitting, and his lower trunk and the upper trunk both are supported. In the figure you can see the rapid upper limb assessment RULA analysis of the human, which is sitting on the extreme-most position of my product, and that is it cannot lean after that. So the green and yellow pigments that you are seeing denotes that the stresses and the loads and the strains that the body is feeling is okay, and there are no red zones. So you can see the FEA, that is finite element analysis of the lumbar frame, which is also the lower frame, and this supports the lumbar of the body. And you can see that displacement plot, and it is okay, and so was the factor of safety plot. And this is the FEA of trunk frame. Trunk is basically the upper part of the mid body, and the plot you are seeing is the displacement plot, and you can see the maximum displacement the frame is feeling is under the limits, and so was the force of the frame. And here is the FEA of the holder. The holder is the part that supports the frame with the ground, and basically these all simulations you are seeing are for a man of 100 kgs, which is leaning on the back at the extrememost position. And so these are the features of the ergonomic ground chair product, and the most prominent features are there are 14 orientations of lower trunk back support, and the weight is 2.9 kg, which is okay, which is very less, and the extreme back angle is has an ergonomic postural score, that is RULA score, and the product needs 2700 centimeters square floor area, which is not too good and not too bad. So it is an average floor area that is needed by the product. And these are the future development scopes, and I have listed three of them. The adjustable headrest can be designed, thigh support can be given for a better ergonomic aspect, and the material selection appraisal can be done in a better way than I did. So till now I have given a brief insight into how I designed my product from an ergonomic aspect, from a mechanics aspect, and I think that it is an average product but can be improved in the coming time. But this product can be a very useful tool, and this can be beneficial from the health aspect for the people like vegetable sellers, the people like poor students who have to study on ground or on bed due to the unavailability of a chair and the study table. But this product can be used anywhere, and for the people who are in the manufacturing line, like the bangle makers in the village area who sit for hours on the ground, and they can use this to support their back, and all the health issues can be resolved by this product. So thank you. That's all from my side for eBTTD 2020.